can see, we are talking about fractions, so can someone please stand up and... Oh! Alrighty class, looks like we got ourselves a little fire, so remember the protocol and let's get in a single file line.
Yes, Mrs. Jabecki.
Okay class, you did a great job, now let's take roll. Jeremy, present.